Hello everyone, I'm Mishka Chatti from the company of Cybex Pte Limited. So today I'll be giving you a slight overview of our dynamic forms which the users can create themselves if they choose to purchase ERP system. So as you can see, here is a bunch of modules provided, but for today I'll be focusing on the form builder module. So here are all the forms which have been added previously, and for each of the forms here are the edit and the delete button. So as you click on this edit button, here is a form that has been created by a user, and this is the type of form which I'll be making today. Firstly, for creating a form, I will click on this add new button. In here you can see the field in which it contains text, number, data and other fields. And here is a canvas provided in which a user can create its own form, and the properties in which the form name will be provided, also known as form title, the description, the columns and the layout type, the map table and the submit form. Furthermore, here is a data which I'll be using to create a form. Moving on, firstly to create a form we should have a form title. The form title will be a safety, audit form, the description, columns, the grid, the map table and the submit workflow. After having all the details filled, I will be starting off by dragging and dropping a field into the canvas. I'll be taking the text and dropping over here. So now by clicking on the text, you will see a text where you will write the name and the placeholder, the text where you can choose the number, the date or the drop down and many more. Also the data, this one is not normally needed, but for the data columns it will be ID or anything. Now by using these data, I'll be making the form. If we control C. So now I will come back to forms and paste it over here. Now as you can see, as I have pasted, the name also changed. Now I will same do it with the placeholder. After doing so, I'll move into text and change this text into drop down. Now I'll be adding some options to select since it is a drop down field. So as I click on the advanced, you will see the option section over here. You just click on the add options, and here as you can see, here are the blocks provided for you to add the text. So firstly I'm gonna add yes for both of the blocks. Then I will add another option for no by clicking on this. Just change it to no for both of the blocks. And for the last one I'm gonna add an A. After doing so, you just click on the apply, and here you can see your options has been added. Now I will be adding another field of text areas which will be the comments field. I'm gonna change this into comments, and I will choose this text area into a text area. Now as these fields have been added and repeated except for the first data column, I will just duplicate it and change the title. So I will copy the title for the second one and duplicate it by just by clicking it on the duplicate icon and putting it below the comments. After doing so, I will change the name also for here. Okay. After doing so, I will do the same for the comments, dragging it over here. So since it requires the same procedure, I have done it accordingly, and this is how a user can simply create their own forms without any coding or experiences.